We should get Mr. Wait, not yet. I gotta finish the flashlight.
What? This is retarded, you know?
What?
This is
You
dumb.
can see it, dude.
Oh.
Yeah, you're that dumb, Lexi.
Shut up.
Get that off me.
What?
No.
Who's making that noise?
Do you hear that?
Stop!
Oh!
Jesus! It's not freaking funny.
Is it even recording, Lexi?
Yeah.
Oh, you just
Did you just
moving
record
it
that?
around.
Yeah, I did. Everybody's like, what?
Did you record? Oh, she's actually recording. Look how dumb she is.
Hello.
Jane.
I see my cheek and my ear.
Lexi, we can all see that.
See my ear?
Lexi,
You
look at
can
it.
see it through the reflection.
Hey.
Edwin.
Hey, look, yeah, look.
There's you.
Okay, mine? No. Why not?
What did you just say, Taylor?
Huh?
Want to say it again?
What?
Taylor. What you were gonna say.
What was I gonna say?